There are three hidden secrets that can help you rise from poverty to wealth. Secrets that most people will never tell you. Have you ever wondered why, despite working so hard every day, you still can't seem to save money? Why does your wallet feel empty before the month even ends? And then one question keeps haunting your mind. When will I become a bit financially stable? When will I be able to give my family a peaceful and secure life? My friend, if these questions have ever crossed your mind, then today's video is just for you. I'm not here to sell dreams or share any get-rich-quick tricks. I'm here to reveal some practical steps that have helped hundreds of people escape poverty and move toward true financial freedom. Many of you have asked me repeatedly, "Bro, please make a video about hard work, saving, creating new income sources, and investment." So today, I'm going to summarize those 4 key topics into 3 powerful steps. And I promise, if you truly listen and apply these in your life, your financial situation will begin to change. Becoming rich isn't a fantasy. It's a journey that happens step by step. So let's begin today's journey toward stability, peace, and freedom. 1. Hard work and saving, the 2 pillars of financial strength. A huge tree cannot stand tall without deep roots. Similarly, your financial life will collapse if it doesn't have a strong foundation. That foundation rests on 2 pillars: hard work and saving. Hard work has no shortcut. Whether you're an employee or an entrepreneur, you must work with honesty, focus, and full effort. Your true earning power comes from consistent, honest work. But here's where most people go wrong. They think earning more automatically makes them rich. The truth is, it's not about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep. That brings us to the second pillar, saving. If income is like filling a jar with water, then saving is the lid that keeps it from spilling out. If your jar leaks, it doesn't matter how much you pour in, it will never stay full. So at the start of every month, set aside at least 10 to 20% of your income. Don't touch this money. It's the seed of your future wealth. Remember this simple rule: pay yourself first. Before spending on anything else, prioritize your savings. Build your monthly budget around what remains. At first, it might feel tough, but over time, this small habit will grow into a mountain of wealth. That saved money is your first step toward becoming rich. Because to move to the next stage, you need capital, and capital comes only from hard work and saving. 2. Create new income streams. Don't rely on just one road. Imagine riding a bicycle with only one wheel. It's unstable and risky. But if that bicycle has 2 or 3 wheels, it's far more secure. Your financial life is exactly the same. Relying on just one job or one salary is dangerous today. So, you must create new income streams. Here are some simple ways. Skill monetization. Can you design, code, or write well? Then don't waste your skills. Work online on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer to earn extra income. Digital business, e-commerce, or F-commerce. You don't need a big store anymore. A simple Facebook page or online shop is enough. You can sell handmade products, small items, or wholesale goods online. Content creation. If you love cooking, traveling, technology, or lifestyle topics, start a YouTube channel, Facebook page, or blog. The growth might be slow at first, but with consistency, it can become a major source of long-term income. Online teaching or tutoring. If you're good at math, English, or computers, you can teach online. Many students worldwide now prefer online learning. All you need is knowledge and an internet connection. Even if you can spare just 1 to 2 hours daily besides your main work, that's enough. Over time, these small side hustles will build you a strong, stable financial base. And 3. The key to financial freedom: turn savings into investments. We all earn money, But not everyone becomes rich. The main reason: most people only spend their money, but the rich make their money work for them. That's called investment. If you simply leave your money in a wallet or bank account, it remains just paper. But if you invest wisely, it becomes passive income, money that earns even while you sleep, travel, or relax. Here's where you can start. 1. Fixed deposit, or FD, or DPS. This is the easiest and safest way to invest. You deposit money in a bank and get it back with interest after a set time. Perfect for beginners. 2. Business partnership. Suppose your friend wants to start a coffee shop but lacks funds. You can invest a small amount and share in the profits. Small business investments are a great opportunity for young people today. 3. Digital investment. You can also explore digital gold or online startups. But remember, these carry higher risks, so gain proper knowledge before diving in. So what's the real secret of wealth? Becoming rich isn't magic, it's a process. Step 1. Honest hard work and consistent income, your foundation. Step 2. Don't depend on a single source of income, create new ones. Step 3. Don't let your saved money sit idle, invest it wisely. If your money doesn't work for you, you'll spend your whole life working for money. These 3 steps may sound simple, but they hold tremendous power. All you need is patience, consistency, and a willingness to learn. Now, the decision is yours. Will you start today or keep waiting? Even the smallest step you take today can unlock a brighter future for your family. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and comment below. Tell me which of these steps you'll start with today. And share it with your friends so they too can learn the secrets of financial freedom. For more inspiring and practical content like this, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Until then, keep trying, stay patient, and never stop learning. Success will come. Thank you.